Hi everyone, this is Chandan and welcome to Chandan Logics. We have a good news for all the aspirants who are preparing for government jobs. We got official notification for the recruitment of Intelligence Bureau. In this video, I am going to discuss complete details about this notification. So if you have observed the notification clearly, we have total 2000 vacancies for recruitment. For this total 2000 vacancies, category wise, if you look here, for this total 2000 vacancies, category wise, unreserved category we have total 989 posts, EWS category we have total 113 posts, OBC category you have total 417 posts, SC category you have total 360 posts, ST category you have total 121 posts. So total you have 2000 posts. Category wise this will be the segregation. So this would be a great opportunity for the aspirants who are preparing for government jobs. So don't wait till the last moment, try to apply it as early as possible. And if you look here, pay scale, if you look here, level 7 pay scale, which is like 44,900 to 1,42,400 rupees. So pay scale is like level 7 pay scale. And if you look at educational qualification, look here, educational qualification, it was clearly mentioned that you need to complete your graduation. So whoever is going to complete graduation, all the guys are eligible to apply for this. Okay. And here it was like one more point, desirable qualification as well. So desirable qualification, it was mentioned that knowledge of computers. So they need like minimum basic knowledge of computers. This will be the desirable qualification. And if you look at age limit, it was mentioned like 18 to 27 years. So minimum age is like 18 years and maximum age is like 27 years. And if you look at age relaxation, who are like SC and ST candidates, they have 5 years age relaxation, and who are like OBC candidates, they are going to have 3 years age relaxation. So minimum age limit is like 18 years and maximum age is like 27 years. So age relaxation for SC and ST candidates, you have 5 years age relaxation, and for OBC candidates, we have 3 years age relaxation. And similarly, if you look here, the selection procedure, how the selection procedure is going to be. If you look at the selection procedure, here you have total 3 tiers, that is tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. So tier 1, you are going to have general awareness, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English, general studies. So all this combined together, you will have 1 hour time and number of marks are like 100 marks. And one more important point, you have native marking, that is 1/4 native marking as well. So if all this combined together in tier 1 examination, you will have 1 hour time and 100 marks. And if you look at tier 2, you are going to have descriptive paper. In this descriptive paper, you will have total 50 marks. Out of this 50 marks, essay will be like 30 marks and English comprehension will be for 20 marks. So total time duration is 1 hour and marks is like 50 marks. And after that you will have tier 3 or interview, which is again going to be 100 marks. So this will be the selection procedure. You will have total 3 tiers, tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. Okay. Next, if you look at fees, if you look at the fee structure, look at the fee structure, even it was mentioned here clearly. If you look at the fee structure, and one more important, if you look at the examination, when to submit your applications, it was mentioned here clearly. Look here, you can start filling your application from 19/12/2020, that is like 19th December 2020, you can start filling your application. And you can fill till 9th January 2021. This examination dates are like really important. To fill your examinations, you can start filling your application from 19/12/2020, that is 19th December 2022. Last date to apply it is like 9th January 2021. Don't wait till last moment. Why? Because if you're going to wait till the last moment, servers may be busy and you may lose the best opportunity here. Okay. So don't wait till the last moment. So you are going to fill your applications from starting date, that is 19th December 2020, and the last date to fill your application is like 9th January 2021. Okay. And next, if you look here, it was mentioned about the fee details as well. Look at the fee details. Fee details, it was like 2 segregations. It is said like examination fees, which is 100 rupees, and recruitment processing charges, which is 500 rupees. Now total it is like 100 plus 500, 600 rupees. Out of these 600 rupees, it is mentioned clearly, male candidates of general, EWS and OBC category, these guys should pay total fees, that is examination fee, plus recruitment processing charges, which is 100 plus 500 total 600 rupees fees they have to pay. Okay, and SC ST candidates, all female candidates and ex-servicemen, these guys should pay recruitment processing charges only. Recruitment processing charge only means recruitment processing charges, it was mentioned like 500 rupees. So all these guys should pay only 500 rupees. So you have fee charges 600 rupees for all male candidates of EWS and OBC category, and 500 rupees for all SC ST and female candidates and ex-servicemen as well. So these are like complete details about this notification. So all you guys, what you need to do is like, if you're really serious about this notification and if you're really preparing for examinations and if you are willing to crack the examination, so what you guys need to do is like, don't waste your time and try to fill this application as early as possible and try to share this news with whoever the friends you are preparing for competitive examinations also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Meet you in the next session. Bye bye.